Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. As it is rightly said, gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. Sharing it is the first step to humanity, and education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So, here we upload amazing and interesting facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many other updated facts. Enjoy the facts, also share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get timely notifications. Keep supporting. Eating chocolate cake for breakfast can help you lose weight. The average dog is as intelligent as a 2-year-old child. Guys, please help me reach 1000 subscribers. About 300 couples marry in Las Vegas every day. Sir Isaac Newton, at the age of 19, threatened his parents to burn them alive. Finland is the first country to have a solar-powered plane. Canada is the most educated country in the world. More than half of its residents have college degrees. Ireland has the most redheads. A man in China once had 9,999 red roses into a dress for his girlfriend. Chess was invented in India. Chimpanzees comfort and reassure one another by kissing and embracing. If you have a layer of fat over 2 feet thick, then you can stop a bullet just by your fat. These lazy glasses allow one to read in bed or watch TV while one is lying flat on the back. In North Korea, if one person commits a crime, his entire bloodline, including the grandparents, are sent to prison. This is one of the mysterious fossilized humanoid skull found in Africa in 2010. It took $7.5 million to build Titanic and $200 million for the movie. Japanese towns developed a monster wolf robots to scare away bears, and it worked. Scientists estimate that you'll fall in love 7 times before you get married. The role of Voldemort in the Harry Potter movies have been played by 6 actors. When you snap your fingers, the sound is created by your finger hitting the palm of your hand. You can get your eyeballs tattooed. Karan King, a Delhi man, is the first to get eyeballs tattooed. Fly dining restaurant in Bengaluru, India is 160 feet in mid-air. You can electrically shock a person's brain to greatly improve their math skills for up to 6 months. A ballpoint pen drawing by Oscar Ecunote entitled Story from April. This horseshoe crab has a very rare blue blood which costs about $60,000 per gallon. According to researchers, laziness is a sign of intelligence because of their creativity. Kim Jong is so heartless that he ordered North Koreans to give up their pet dogs for meat to deal with food shortage. A tree that had its soil washed away but refused to die. Long exposure of a departing train in Budapest that was covered in 30,000 lights. In 1973, China proposed to give US 10 million Chinese women to boost population. Genghis Khan was responsible for the death of so many people that the Earth's carbon levels dropped by almost 700 million tons. Thanks for watching. For more such facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel.